Hey everybody, we're here at Summit and we've got a special project going on this morning. We're making a custom top clamp for the RLX bike. You see that on the CNC mill from Summit. We've got our Emmy award-winning videographer Derek from Lampstand Media, who's actually capturing the process for the documentary we're doing on the bike. You can see we're here in the big facility at Summit. All these mills and lathes ready to go out the door for customers. There's Derek. Pretty cool stuff. Anyway, check back to see how this turns out, and if you need some machining, use Summit. If you need some video work, use Lampstand Media. If you need a bike, come see us.